Hi all, welcome to the Mystical Sciences. Today we will talk about the food which is responsible for the chakras. In the previous video we were talking about the chakras, and when that particular chakra is imbalanced, what kind of physical problem or psychological problems you will face. So today we will talk about some food items which are important in our day-to-day life. You will take food actually. So using that food you can balance your chakras. So when you notice this particular chakra is imbalanced, you need to take that particular chakra related food actually, so that it will get balanced. Without you doing any specific things, it will get balanced actually. So today we will talk about the 7 chakras and the food related to the 7 chakras actually. So what are the food items which are responsible to balance those chakras actually? Okay, so starting from the Mooladhara chakra, because Mooladhara chakra is the base chakra actually. So the root chakra which is there, because that particular chakra is responsible for your stability in life. When your life is not stable, then obviously there will be nothing which will be stable actually. So the Mooladhara chakra balancing is very, very important in your life. Insecurity problems, you have a lot of insecurity issues these days, and you have a lot of physical problems like knee pain, leg pain, all these things which are there. To balance those things, you have to activate red color actually. So red color food which is related to Mooladhara chakra there are few things actually which you can see generally. Anything related to red will be connected with that particular chakra. If you eat, that chakra will be balanced. Like tomato is red in color, pomegranate is red in color, beetroot is also red in color, strawberries are also red in color. Anything which is related to red, even you have jam which is red in color. So all these things with the sauces you have red in color. So whichever is having color red, you can just activate that. Chilies which are also red in color. So this red color which is there, when you activate, when you eat on a regular basis, when you feel this particular chakra is imbalanced, then that chakra will be balanced. When you feel this chakra is more active actually, you are facing difficulties, then you have to donate these tomatoes or chilies or strawberries to anyone actually, or pomegranates, so it will try to balance your chakras. That is the Mooladhara chakra. Next is the Swadhisthana chakra. Very important for people those who are having difficulties, the infertility issues which is there, jealous, stubbornness, all these things, people where they have difficulties, the reproductive organ related issues which they have to activate the Swadhisthana chakra. Color is orange actually, very simple. You have oranges, and you have carrot which is also orange in color. Pepper, the orange pepper which is there, that is also connected to this. Sweets, anything related to orange color, if you eat that, then that particular related which is there, problems will just go away. Almonds which are there will also be connected to orange color. So these are the few food items actually which is connected to the Swadhisthana chakra. So eating regular oranges will give you a lot of benefit. Eating carrots will give you a lot of benefits. Next comes the Manipura chakra, that is the solar plexus chakra. So this chakra is very important, as I said, this is the energy point actually. You have a lot of energy in you when this chakra is balanced. So this chakra color is yellow color. So yellow color, what all you have, you just see. You have lemon. You also can have mango, which is also connected with yellow color. You will have pineapples, which is also connected to yellow. You also can have lemon rice, which is also yellow in color. You can also have lemons, which is also yellow in color. So all these things which is there. So normally when you prepare any curry, use turmeric actually, because that is also yellow in color, which will give you lot of energy in your solar plexus chakra. Next comes the heart chakra, the Anahata chakra. the Anahata chakra, the heart chakra, which is the color green. So anything related to green color, like the green leafy vegetables, you have spinach, you have green apple, you have grapes, all these things which are related to green color will give you lot of benefit to your Anahata chakra. You have broccoli. So green color things which are there, anything which is related to green color, mostly green leafy vegetables will give you lot of benefit actually. Green grams, that is also very benefited actually. Green tea which is there, cucumber. So all these things which are there, green related items which are there, you can just have and you can balance your heart chakra. And next comes the Vishuddhi chakra, the throat chakra. The throat chakra can be balanced with the throat chakra. The throat chakra can be balanced with the help of water. Every day you drink water, you should drink more water actually. If you drink water more, your throat chakra will be balanced. Milk, which is connected to the throat actually, you can drink milk. Blackberries, blueberries which are there, you can eat and you can balance your throat chakra. Rice is also little connected with the throat chakra actually. You have curd, you can also have curd to balance your throat chakra. So all these things which are there, these chakra, this particular food which is related to this, you can eat and you can try to balance your Vishuddhi chakra. Next comes your Agneya chakra, gateway to the divinity. Like cabbage, you will have blueberries is also connected to the Agneya chakra. And next is any ice cream which you see with this particular color actually, dark blue color, you can also have this and you can balance the Agneya chakra. So Agneya chakra foods are this. And next comes to the Sahasrara chakra. Sahasrara chakra, the top of the head. So normally I told this is the chakra which is connected to the universe actually. So this chakra, when it is open all the time, then it will be balanced. So this chakra food is sunlight. Major food for this particular chakra is sunlight. You should give this chakra, like you should receive sunlight at least for half an hour a day. Meditation is also the best method to balance your Sahasrara chakra. And any food related to violet color. You have a lot of ice creams these days because people will try to give you a lot of color, flavoring the colors and create some ice creams actually. Violet color, anything related to violet color, you can eat actually. And major thing is sunlight and meditation. These two things if you do, your Sahasrara chakra will be balanced. So these are the few food items which I told you, with which you can balance. And apart from that, especially for women, I would like to tell, this color which is there, to balance, you can also wear flowers actually, because flowers have different colors actually. You can get different color flowers actually. You can also wear the flowers, and that particular flowers will also balance whatever imbalances you have in those chakras actually. And apart from that, for men, they can wear dresses. The color dresses, violet, indigo color dresses, blue color dresses, whichever color is imbalanced you feel in your body, try to wear those colors, then it will be balanced. Okay? Ensure that you are eating these foods to balance all your chakras. They're all about chakra and foods. So hope you liked it. Thank you all. Thank you.